Hey guys, what's going on? It is Sunday, October 17th, 2021. Boys are in the back. They have their own little language game. What would you call it?
Both, I guess.
Yeah, they're doing their own thing back there and they're being good. So hey, we're rolling through Verdon. We're headed up to Oklahoma City area. We're either going to the Myriad, or probably what we're actually going to do is go to I believe it's called Orr Family Farms, and it's a pumpkin patch and they have all kinds of little activities, things set up that's fun for the kids. And it's just a beautiful 76-degree day here in Oklahoma. So we've been on fall break. Samantha had the whole entire past week off. I had Thursday and Friday off. Perks of being in education. But of course tomorrow's Monday and it's back to work for Samantha and I, and back to school for the kiddos, or childcare. And we just figured we better get out and do something fun with the kids for a little bit. Maybe meeting up with my sister and my 3 nieces and my mom, who are already up here. We'll see. They're trying to figure out and decide what they want to do. But is that a bird?
Probably after all he's been drinking.
We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do, and just thought I'd bring the cameras along and do some documentation. Okay, well, we are reeling in the Orr Family Farm, getting really close. So before we get out and get in there, let's check this thing out from an aerial perspective. Just gonna throw my phone, camera. Here we go. Well, Ford and I are just chilling. We've probably been here 20-30 minutes. Samantha and Bodhi are on this little bouncy thing behind us. Bodhi's been having a lot of fun on it. It's definitely one of the smaller guys on it, so he's been getting bounced around a lot. But I'll tell you one thing, Ford wishes he could get out there. He'd show him how it's done, wouldn't you, Ford? Sam, could you give us an update?
We've just been going around everywhere and checking everything out. There's a lot of things we didn't do. There's not really a reason, it's a lot, and we want to get something to eat, so we only have about 40 minutes until it closes, so we're just trying to catch a couple pictures of us, and then we're gonna bounce.
There's really no one around to take our photo, so we're trying to set Samantha's phone up on this pumpkin to where she can like use her Apple Watch as the shutter button to take the photo. She's really working it here, trying to get it to work. Feels like we've been here 2.5, 3 hours. It's now 5:30. As you can see, I was looking for my truck for some reason. Anyways, we're heading out of here. Did you boys have fun?
Wait for
Um, 7:15 p.m. pulling into the crib. Had a great time at the Orr Family. Ouch. Had a great time at the Orr Family Farm. Samantha is now on E. Samantha, what'd you think?
I had fun. I had been wanting to go there for a while. So I'm glad we went and did that, and I think that Bodhi had a lot of fun. Ford didn't really have that much fun because he was kind of confined to the stroller.
Would you recommend it?
Yeah, he had fun. We tried to get him out whenever we could. We set him on some things, took some pictures, stuff like that, but Bodhi definitely loved it. He had a great time. He's gonna sleep really good tonight, but he sleeps good every night. So, I would recommend it. It was fun. I won't do it again this season, but we'll probably do it again next year. So we have a couple other pumpkin patches we want to go to. So hopefully we can do that this week and have some more fun.
We have a lot to do before we can get to bed. Super busy, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the vlog up. Hope you guys are all doing well, as I always say. Please be sure to comment below, say hi, what's up. Till next time, vlog number 323.
Let's do some fun exercises. First, wiggle your fingers. This is the way we wiggle our fingers, wiggle our fingers, wiggle our
And if Bodhi wants to say it.
Say over.
Say over. Can you say over? We'll go what shape? Say over.
Over. No.
Over.